It's DJ CJ Daddy, you know what I'm saying? I need everybody to holler at me on the website, you know what I'm saying? I'm putting this music on the websites. You can catch me at 3vforfree.com. That's 3V for free. All numbers, one letter, and free. Get at me. It's 3V for free. And I'm doing it out here right now, you know what I'm saying? I just did this little interview exclusive that's gonna be on the website with some niggas from Inktown, Detroit, Michigan, you know what I'm saying? Holding it down for the hometown, Detroit, Michigan. Nigga named Young Streets, you know what I'm saying? I did a video for this nigga back in 2007. Same time this year, we do another video, you know what I'm saying? Put that shit together, so I'm gonna do a little DVD for them niggas and shit. But I got other projects coming out and shit, you know, I got involved in this little Soulja Boy Bow Wow beat. So I'm finishing that shit up. And we about to just keep this shit going, bro. It's your boy, DJ CJ Daddy. I'm at the grocery store with my family. You know, at the Gordons, you know what I'm saying? That bulk shit, you know what I'm saying? Niggas buy bulk. I ain't gonna even lie, we ain't balling, you know what I'm saying? So niggas gotta spend the money right. You know, they done cut down the food stamps and shit, you know what I'm saying? Niggas is, shit is tight out in this bitch, nigga. But get at me, you know what I'm saying? About to get the seed out the back seat and go get this grub. Too bad we can't eat in this bitch.